Just relax into it. Everything will happen the way it needs to. Your worry about circumstances only prolongs your suffering. Every day you can choose to relax into what is currently available to you. When you relax and look for the ease and the flow of surrender, all doors open and effortlessly the most abundant path becomes clear to you. It is not easy to choose ease and peace when your body and mind has been wired to chaos for so very long. But that doesn't eradicate the fact that ease and peace is right there, available to you. When you look for ways to tune into your personal frequency of peace and relaxation, the more options will become apparent to you. Options to experience ease and peace in the now. As long as you make the decision to look for ease and peace in your life and keep making that decision every morning, every midday, every night, then your mind will shift into place. It will shift into place where it is able to receive the thoughts of ease and peace. And with repetition, those thoughts will start to sound reasonable to you. And when they sound reasonable, you start buying into the possibility that ease and peace might be available to you. So you start asking yourself, how is it possible that peace and ease actually might be available to me? And the evidence show up. They always do. Apprentice of Silence.